ZANU-PF chairman sparks outrage over 2028 election remarks. The 15th of August 2025, by staff reporter, Mashonaland East, ZANU-PF's provincial chairman for Mashonaland East, Daniel Garwi, has stirred controversy after declaring there will be no elections in 2028, in a statement that has intensified speculation over plans to extend President Emerson Mnangagwa's tenure beyond constitutional limits. Speaking at a District Coordinating Committee (DCC) meeting on the 11th of August, Garwi told party members that Vision 2030, Mnangagwa's flagship economic agenda, would not be interrupted. There is no election. DCC, do you hear? There are no elections. We're going to 2030 building the country, whether they like it or not, shame or no shame. We're unstoppable, he said, taking what appeared to be a veiled swipe at Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, regarded by many as the president's likely successor. Garwi also mocked political rivals, claiming one had resorted to plucking a live black chicken in a failed attempt to seize power, before remarking, "The one ruling is Mnangagwa. Don't kill chickens in vain." Extending Mnangagwa's rule would require constitutional amendments, a politically sensitive move that could face resistance both within ZANU-PF and from the opposition. Party sources told Zim Live that, while Mnangagwa has publicly maintained he will step down in 2028, some allies are quietly exploring ways to block Chiwenga's ascension. Their reported strategy includes installing businessman KUTYA Tagwari as ZANU-PF leader at the party's 2027 Congress. Under this plan, Mnangagwa would retire as scheduled, with Tagwari expected to be vice president by then, serving as president until 2030. If implemented, it would mark the first time in Zimbabwe's history that a businessman, rather than a politician or military leader, occupies the highest office. Stay with Nude Times ZW for in-depth political coverage.